what's up and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to introduce you one of the new launch by TS Cosmetics, and they have recently launched their creamy matte lipsticks once again. I think they have launched something similar back like 3 years back or something, जिसका मैंने एक छोटा सा रील भी डाला था मेरे Instagram पे. But this is a completely new formula, new packaging and new product, and they have launched around 20 shades in this range. I would like to tell you that this is a winter friendly creamiest matte formula. So if you guys are interested to know more about this product and their swatches, then please keep on watching. Also, if you don't want to miss out on makeup and skincare new launch videos, lots of vlogs and lipstick swatches, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you won't miss any updates from my side. And now let's begin with the video. Alright, so before we get into the lipstick review, I would like to give you a little bit background about this brand TS Cosmetics. This is a women-owned brand and I really like their glitters. If you have missed the video, मैंने बहुत time पहले इनके glitters के ऊपर एक video बना है, which I will mention somewhere here in cards so that you can go and check it out, because I still use the glitters and there are a lot of glitters. I still have like I think 20-30 glitters. ये भी जो आज मैंने लगाया हुआ है, this is a TS Cosmetics glitters. So yeah, I really love their formulation and I'm very glad they got into makeup. They also have a couple of more makeup products in their line. But today I'm going to talk about the newly launched lipstick, because you know I like to review newly launched lipstick products. मेरे channel पे आपको बहुत सारे newly launched lipstick swatches दिख जाएंगे. So I have got these 6 shades from this brand and I must tell you, मतलब मैंने अभी without makeup swatches इसके पहले कर लिए. That's why I know. I think like I'm 100% sure that couple of these shades can be a very bang on dupe of high-end products. We will check that later, but right now let's see the packaging and the product description. Okay, so the outer packaging of this product looks something like this. This comes in this cardboard box, which will retail you, the lipstick retail you for $350, and they contain 4.5 gram of product. So by the way, these lipsticks are cruelty free and vegan, they have mentioned on the packaging. And the best part is they have also mentioned that the lipsticks have one swipe pigmentation, they have wet lace formula, they are enriched with jojoba oil and couple of more oils. Yeah, also they have couple of hydrating essentials oil in it that you will see later. But yeah, let's see the formula first. So as I told you earlier, they have the creamiest buttery formula which glides on my lips so easily, and I really like these kind of lipsticks because sometimes what happen now, creamiest lipsticks, even they have a creamy formula, they can feel heavy on lips, but these particular ones, they have very nice buttery formula and they're like literally they have a weightless formula. Like इसको भी मैंने अभी लगाया, but I'm not feeling any stickiness or creaminess on my lips. At the same time, my lips are not chapped and very hydrated. Okay, so that's pretty much about the product and formula. Now let's get into the lip swatches. I will show you with and without makeup lip swatches, and I will explain each and every shade with the undertone so that you won't repeat any lipstick in your vanity, and it will help you to choose the right shade for you. This particular shade actually feels like a dupe of Huda Beauty Anniversary. I'll mention the shade name here and the image of the swatch of that particular shade. So it looks very similar to this one. this feels like a dupe of Huda Beauty Joyride, the Power Matte Power Bullet lipstick. So yeah, those were all the swatches, and I must say that many of the shades, they are suitable for Indian skin tones. Like I found some of the best nudes in this collection जो मैंने बहुत सारे वेल नोन ब्रांड्स में भी नहीं देखे हैं, वो मैंने अच्छे न्यूज देखे. लाइक समथिंग लाइक दिस इवन आई लव दिस वन. ये सारे शेड्स आपको लक्स ब्रांड्स में दिखेंगे जो कि आपको मिल रहे हैं सिर्फ 350 रुपीज़ में. एंड 350 तो मैंने उसकी एमआरपी बोल दी, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू विल गेट देम ऑन डिस्काउंट. जैसे अभी डिस्काउंट चल रहा है उनकी वेबसाइट पे. आई विल मेंशन ऑल द परचेज लिंक इन माय डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स डाउन बिलो, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक दैट आउट. Then I like the ingredient list of this product. They have almost mentioned all the ingredients of this, and इसमें जो उन्होंने essential oils यूज़ किए हुए हैं, जो अच्छे ingredients यूज़ किए हैं which make this product hydrating, वो भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Another thing I liked was it gives one swipe pigmentation. सो डेफिनेटली आई रियली लाइक इट. इसको भी मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा लेयर अप नहीं किया, एक या दो बार लेयर अप किया है. दिस इज द लाइटेस्ट शेड, आई थिंक लाइटेस्ट और सेकेंड लाइटेस्ट शेड in this collection, but इसको भी मैंने ज़्यादा layering नहीं किया है. I haven't used any lip liner, still it looks very beautiful on me. Then what more I like about this product, being an indie brand and being a small business owner, Tabassu made sure that this product is cruelty free and vegan, so that is a plus point for me. Then as I talked about their shade range earlier, they have like awesome nude shades in this collection, and apart from that अगर आपको deep dark shades चाहिए, जैसे fall season के लिए कोई shades चाहिए, तो वो भी आपको इसमें मिलेंगे. There are total 20 shades in this range, so you can choose your favorite one. Then talking about the affordability, they are definitely affordable and you can easily get 2 or 3 shades in the budget. Like within 1000 rupees आपको 3-4 shades तो मिल ही जाएंगे when they are on discount. Then talking about the formula, मैंने पहले ही बोला, it's a very lightweight lipstick, almost a weightless formula. It doesn't feel on my lips. There are a couple of things which are a bummer for me. One is that they haven't mentioned any expiry date on the packaging. So even when you are buying it, you should know when it's going to expire. अगर आपको डेट नहीं देनी तो एटलीस्ट यू नो ये कितने मंथ्स चलेगा, वो जो होता है ना when it will get expire after opening the product, एटलीस्ट वो मेंशन होना चाहिए था. आई थिंक उनके वेबसाइट पे होगा, बट इट शुड ऑल्सो मेंशन ऑन द पैकेजिंग. आई थिंक TS Cosmetics will take it as a positive feedback. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई थिंक एक या दो शेड्स है ना, मुझे उनका जो फॉर्मूला है वो थोड़ा सा उसमें इनकन्सिस्टेंसी लगी. लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द शेड दे आर वेरी क्रीमी एंड यू नो ग्लाइडिंग वेरी स्मूथली, बट आई थिंक एक या दो शेड, आई थिंक इट्स अ बटर स्कॉच एंड what is the shade hazelnut. I no not even hazelnut, I think सिर्फ बटरस्कॉच वाला जो शेड है ना वो मुझे थोड़ा सा टगिंग करा था मेरे लिप्स पे वाइल अप्लाइंग इट, मुझे थोड़ा सा ड्राई लगा. So that is the only shade which I feel is little drying even on hand swatches and even on lips. But that may be because मैंने इसको ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया है, एक या दो बार ही लगाया, तो मे बी उसकी वजह से भी हो सकता है. When I start using it regularly, so maybe वो वापस creamy formula उसका हो जाए. Yeah, that's pretty much about the review, guys. All in all, I really like this product because of their shade range and affordability. Definitely I will purchase couple of more shades from this range जब मैं इसके पूरे swatches देखूंगी. Basically ये जो 6 शेड्स है ना, ये भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है. अभी भी जो मैंने लगाया ये वाला शेड, एक है चेरी एंड हेज़लनट, ये तीन तो मतलब मेरे बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेवरेट शेड्स है. इनको तो मैं डेफिनेटली रिपर्चेस करूँगी. बट या इफ़ यू गाइज ऑल्सो वांटेड टू बाय दीज प्रोडक्ट्स, देन आप उनके वेबसाइट पे जाके बाय कर सकते हो, और यू कैन ऑल्सो DM हर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. हर इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल इज हियर, और इनके जो सारे परचेस लिंक है वो मैं सारे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, सो इट विल बी ईजी फॉर यू टू परचेज. सो या दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. थैंक यू फॉर स्टिकिंग टिल द एंड. I will come up with a new review video very soon. Till then, watch my other videos. Take care and bye bye.